Quit going to college. Quit your job. You're never going to learn how to make any money going to college or working a job. I worked 10 different jobs. I tried going to college for 4 different years. I didn't get any closer to making money or to becoming successful. These are such sinister little lies that we've been taught by our family, by our friends, by the media, and by our teachers, that you're going to get ahead in life going to college or working a job. Now, you want a mansion. You want a Lamborghini. You want to travel the world with your friends and make some serious cash. You're not going to get that working a job or going to college. I make $10,000. This is $10,000 every single day. And I didn't get there by working a job. Now, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to invite you to a free training that has benefits in it for both of us. But I'm going to show you first, I know how to make money online, if you can see by any of these results right here. Now, what's not as important about my results is my students' results. Here's Tyler Ellison. He makes over $1 million a year. Can you zoom in on this number right here? He earned $1.4 million last year. Here he is, kind of chubby guy right there, lives in Utah. Mormon missionary, he just wrote this. Hey John, just thought I'd show you what your training has enabled me to do. Thanks so much. It's changed my life for the better forever. You're not going to learn how to get rich sitting in a classroom, and you're not going to learn how to get rich working for someone else. Here's Brian Pfeiffer, another student of mine, earned over $1 million last year. Used to be a limo driver in Chicago. See, here he is, big boy right there, really strong guy. Here's who he was dating before he took my training program. He now lives in Las Vegas and hangs out with these 3 girls. But look at his earnings. Can you zoom in on his earnings right here? This is what he earns on a daily basis using the internet marketing techniques that I have shown him in my system. And here's another student of mine, multi-millionaire, 7-figure student. He used to be doing customer service for people. He's from Tampico, Mexico. There he is, right there. That's his wife. He earns over $100,000 in a single month. Once again, you don't make this working a job. Just like my story was, I learned how to do this back in 2012. I learned how to use the internet and little websites that require 0 programming to set up to make real money. Now, I didn't do this. When I started, I had very little money. When I started, I had to do this on the side and I had very little time. But I was able to quit my job and create an income for myself where I now earn over $500,000 a month. And you can too. Sign up for my training. There's a link above or below my head where you can click to sign up for a free training where I will spend 2 hours with you live answering your questions. You can ask me anything. And I will spend time with you to learn how you can make this money too. Very simple, step by step. Click the link above or below. Let's get it.